My name is Thomas Pfeiffer. I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm a teacher at SRH Berlin University. So the students are here in this Spezialmaschinenbau company in order to be familiarized with manufacturing processes. It is very important to not only link and connect the theoretical knowledge with the practical aspects of it, but especially like for mechanical engineering, it is important for me that the students are grasping the topic.
This week has been important to me because I've been able to undergo an internship period whereby whatever I learned in school is now being practical. I get to learn a lot about the machines and how the procedures used to perform different tasks in engineering.
The last 3 days we start by doing some manual work with traditional tools. Then the second day we start doing some machining, traditional machining, not about CNC. And today we started doing some welding and soldering.
It has been like an interesting experience because you can really have like a feel or like a concrete idea of what we are basically studying in the mechanical engineering class. So yeah, it's really like seeing the material itself, it gets like really clear.
So with that internship, students get an insight how to link manufacturing of particular geometries, choosing the right material, and then providing those into a functionality of a device, be it a combustion engine, and in future also much more renewable energy sources that are much more climate friendly.
Doing the mechanical work and also doing it in class is a different thing. In class I get to do mostly the theory, but here I do the practical, and the practical is the most important because to understand the theory part you need the practical part.
So as engineers we sketch things and we ask technicians to actually produce the final product, and here we can get to learn what they're going through while they're actually producing the stuff. So it's quite important for us to see what they're going through so we can ask more reliable things and we get to know what we're actually asking for.
And most importantly, since most of the graduates are later on going to be in design, that their design and the quality of their design is pivotal for the quality of the later product. And of course also economic elements. So that linking between practical and theoretical work is very, very important. Not only these graduates later on will be successfully producing quality products, but also they're learning how to communicate with technicians, with trained technicians that might come out of the German dual educational system.
So we get to actually see and experience in person what they need to go through to actually make the final product.
Well, for sure, I think that now that we have tried to manufacture it, it gave us like a more precise idea. I think that definitely it will help us to have to create better design.
And it's also nice because we are really doing these pieces and we can get it and take it to our home, so I believe this was also good.
At the moment I feel really prepared to the future and to start working in a company after doing 2 semesters in this master's degree.
Within SRH core principle, competence-oriented research and education, I think the students that are participating in this internship are going to take that experience into their professional lives when they will be guiding and instructing technicians. They will have learned the respect for their profession, and they will also have learned how to communicate about producing quality products. So if you're interested in the SRH study, join us. We look forward to have you in our university.